Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make secondary skin with a grid concept. First of all, we have to using the rotated rectangle like this. You can set the dimension about the module or panels for secondary skin. It's around 1 meter of the height, and the height of the secondary skin is around 3 meter. Okay, it's approximately just like this. And then we can triple click this plane, right click and make group, and after that we can um, make the simple box in here. We can make this simple box with using the rotated rectangle. Start from here, click, and then we can type 60 millimeter, and for the head is around 60 millimeter approximately. Okay, then we can triple click this little plane or little square. Then we can click the offset and offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 10 millimeter. Okay, and we can look about the result of this, and we can delete this center or inner plane by click this inner plane, right click and erase. Then we can click this one, and then we can select a push and click this plane, and we can push it to the front. It's around 15 millimeter, or maybe more than 15 millimeter. Maybe it's around 20 millimeter more. So the total of the depth of this every single cube is around 35, and we can triple click this one, right click and make group. Then we can right click and make component also and just create. Okay, so then we can select a move, and then click this object, and then we can press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can place on this point, and by click, and then we can type x 50. Okay, so then we can get the result. Okay, so we can delete some unnecessary box over there, and then we can select all this cube, and then we can select right click and make group. Okay, so we can select move and press Ctrl, and then we can select this point, and then place to this point, click, and then we can type x 100, for example. Okay, so we can get about the height of this one, and then we can delete some unnecessary cube over there. So we can see about the plane that we have made before. It could be guideline for us to make arrangement of the secondary skin about it. Okay, so then we can delete the plane in here. We can click, right click and erase. And also we can select the wood element. We can select the wood element, and then we can choose what the wood um, as we want. So we can select what kind of the wood as we want. Maybe you can select this one, it lighter than this one, and this is lighter than this one. So this is the darkest. This is the darkest wood, and this is the lightest wood tone color anyway. So for example, I just make this like like this. Okay, so we can click all, and then we can click this material and just click this one, and then we can get the automatically um, grid. We can get the grid secondary skin in here. Okay, and this is about the inner secondary skin. So we have to make the frame. We have to make the frame of this secondary. We can using the rectangle. We can start from here, and then we can end the diagonal in this point. Then we can get the plane, and also we can triple click and offset to the outside, maybe around 15 millimeter only. Then we can click this plane, right click and erase. Then we can push, place on this position, and then we can triple click, right click and make group. And also then we can maybe we can using this material. Okay, we can using this material, and we can select all, and we can sorry, we can select all, we can right click and make group. Okay, then we can also rotate it one by one. Okay, also we can move, duplicate, and control, place on this position and move and duplicate and move and duplicate to the another position. Okay, so we can also click this one and rotate it by using a blue axis. We can rotate it, and then we can move here until this position approximately. Then we can also move this point until this position. Click, then we can move this one, and then we can rotate it again, and we can get about the secondary skin. We can get the secondary skin on this um, video tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. Just wait for my next video. Thank you.